Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So we have finally hit 150k, and as I told you all, I'll be making a setup tour video today. So without any further ado, let's get started. I don't actually know how to do that vlog stuff. I'll just pick up the camera and walk around. I'll show you all the setup. Come on. I don't know what I changed something. No, come on. What? So this is the part of setup which no one ever sees. This is the Oculus Rift S VR headset. I have not made a lot of VR videos. I have just made two. I tried making that Half-Life Alyx video, but I don't know what happened. The gameplay corrupted and all. So yeah, only two videos till now. I want to make a lot of VR videos. So yeah, that's about it for the VR part. So this is the background light which I use. It's not that great. It's just a really cheap thing, $5. I wanted to like try out something for the background and then go for the expensive models, but when I bought this, it was just $5, and this has served me pretty well. I don't know why I should buy something better. That's what you get for $5. Not recommended at all. I want to buy a better one, but it's very confusing which one to buy because all of them seem to be same, and I don't know what's different with them. And wait. So the thing which is priceless, the thing which cannot be bought. Yeah, of course, I'm talking about the special silver play button, which is actually a mirror. They send you a mirror. I don't even have a mirror in this room because they literally send this, and I just, even when I have to check my hair, I just come here and do that. So yeah, beautiful thing, piece of art. Let's move on. So this is the main setup. Chair, come on, chair is in the corner. Before going to the setup, this is the chair which I use. You all see that, so every time, so throw that. Yeah, so this is the main setup, not too special. So this is the YouTube part, and this part is for study, but I'm currently pursuing computer engineering, so mostly I have to program, so it's mostly studies also here. And these are the three drawers in here. That's the Sigma lens which I use. It's the 30mm f1.4. yeah, it's the main lens which I use while recording gameplay videos, and the lens which I'm using currently on the camera is the, what even is this thing, 16 to 55mm lens. Yeah, it's a stock lens, not that great, but for zooming in and all, it's good. And with that lens we cannot zoom and all, and the crop sensor and all that stuff, it's really zoomed in. So for this kind of a video, it's not good, so I'm using the stock lens which I got along with the cam. Okay, this is the Rode mic which I use. It's a Rode NT USB along with the Rode PSA1 stand. The stand is more like valuable than this mic. This stand is so cool. I literally can like throw this mic anywhere, everywhere. This is so good. Yeah, let's just keep it to the side. It's done. Yeah. Okay, this is the main PC. We'll come back to that. So these are the two lights which I have. Yeah. The tripod is on the table, and the reason is that the back side of this table is like flat, complete flat. I cannot attach something like this at the back of the table, so I have to keep the tripods on the table. And there is not a lot of space behind this monitor, so what I have done here is like I have added this glass plate. On that is this clamp on which sits the cam. I'll show you all a video and you can understand how it actually looks like. And then yeah, that's the wall right in front of my face. The idea behind that was I wanted to add these acoustic foams. Only two are standing. I added them with a spray, and that was really bad. Not a good idea. That acoustic spray was bad, or either I applied it in a wrong way, but it just, everything fell down along with the paint. I want to change that. I will try to like add some other spray or something, and if that doesn't happen, I'm just straight away gonna drill them in. Yeah. Okay, moving on to this part of the setup, which is the monitors, keyboard, mouse, and the headphone. So the monitors, this is the main monitor which I use to play games. This is the recording monitor. So earlier things were very different. I had just this monitor, but then I soon realized that recording and playing games on the same monitor, it's really hard. So I bought this one. It's a LG, I don't know the model number, but 1080p 75Hz. It's also a gaming monitor, but not that great. So this is the main monitor which I use to play games. It's 1080p 144Hz, 1 millisecond response time. It's a superb monitor. I want to get a 4K one, 4K 240Hz, but that's a lot for now. We'll talk about that later. I guess 2-3 years down the line, maybe graphic cards and everything will be that much powerful to like play all of those games. Yeah, and this one is the beautiful keyboard. It is not RGB, but it has this red color to it. It's a Corsair K70, beautiful one, mechanical keyboard. And then this is the headphone which I have. It's a HyperX Cloud, whatever, names are complicated. This is the mouse which I have. It's a beautiful Logitech G502 Hero. I have like already broken one, but this is the second one. Then yeah, there's this part where open it. There's a lot of books. Like, I love to read them. Some are not yet done, but I will do that soon. There's a tripod in there and some games. There's tons of books behind too, in both of those shelves. Apart from that, I have a lot of books, but they are not in here now. And then in here, like epic, it's hidden in plain sight, is the PS4 Pro. You cannot see that. It's usually near my TV, but the TV had some screen tearing issue or something, so I have bought it here. Brought. So this is the main thing, the beast. The first thing I've ever bought for this channel, the iPad Pro 10.5. Like, for almost a year, it was like my editing thing, my recording thing, everything on this one. Beautiful. This is where I like made my golden gem videos. The Hello Neighbor Act 1 video, which crossed like 16 million views. I don't know why. That's made on this one. And then there's this laptop which I used to like edit videos on. And before that iPad, I used to record on Nexus 5X phone. And that phone like was not even mine, it was my father's phone. So buying that iPad was a really great thing. Like, I was not limited to the time when he was at home for recordings and all. So yeah, that's the first thing I bought. Really lovely. I love that a lot. And then what else do we have? Have I missed anything? I don't think I have missed anything. So moving on to the PC is the Camlink 4K on top of it, which I use to take the signal from the camera and like that goes into the PC and then it gets recorded. And then what else do we have in here? That's the GTX 1080 Ti. Then that's, come on, what, focus. Then that's what, okay, it's focusing, right? Yeah. So I have the CPU as Ryzen 7 2700X. And then there's the cooler which cools it. What even is that? It's a water cooler, Corsair Hydro Series H100i. I don't know why these names are so complex. That's the Elgato HD60 Pro. I like was using it to record my cam footage, but I don't know what happened, but that's not working now, so that's why I had to like buy this thing, Elgato Camlink. And then we have that thing, that's the SSD. It's, I guess, what is that, 1 TB? Yeah. And there's another one in that M.2 heatsink, that's 250 GB. Then there's another SSD at the back, it's another 250 GB SSD, and there's another HDD, it's 2 TB. So I always bought like 250 GB SSDs, and then I realized that those are not enough at all, and then I had to like go for that big one, 1 TB. And so overall there is like for storage, I guess 4.5 GBs. And then there's Hello Neighbor, that's the only Funko Pop which I have which can stand. The Iron Man one I had, I don't know where that thing is, but that cannot stand, so that's why Hello Neighbor is in here. Okay, that's some cooling. So for motherboard, I have Asus X470 motherboard, and for the RAM I have HyperX 8x2, that's 16 GBs total, 3200 megahertz. And yeah, I guess that's about it for the PC parts. Yeah, okay, how can I forget this main thing? This is the Corsair Crystal 570X cabinet. It's a really good one. Before that, like when I built this PC in 2018, I guess, that time I like the components were the same, like the GPU and CPU and all, but the cabinet and all the cooling system was different. So when I like bought this cabinet and cooling system last year, I built this myself. So that's why that cable management is so bad. If I have the pic of the first stage of the setup, then it must be on the screen now. And the cabinet, as you can see, was literally, it was a cage. There was no air moving out of there. So adding this cabinet was really cool. It's a really clean, transparent cabinet. I love it. The airflow in it, it's excellent. Like it's has like every single side has some kind of a air vent. Yeah, it's beautiful. So moving on, I guess I have covered everything, have I? Yeah, I guess, yeah, I have covered that. And as for this LEDs, these are not that great lights, but they do they work. Yeah. And by the way, the mic which I'm using to record now, it's the Boya by M1 Lav mic. So that's the mic which I use to record when I'm making such kind of a video, which is like the first time. And also for the VR ones, I use this mic. Yeah. And there's this, I forgot this mouse pad, the most important part. Yeah. Not the GPU, the CPU, all of those things not important, but the mouse pad. I don't even know the model. Not that great, but still good. Okay, so I guess that's about it for this setup tour. Everything has been covered. If something has not been covered, then oh come on, how can I miss this? You might be asking, ACK, where are those wires? Where are those wires? Is your setup like complete wireless? Well, I know that. Well, I'll show you all where the wires go. As you can see, those go to the back. I don't want to show you all the back side because it's a mess, and I'm surely gonna get tons of comments by people saying what kind of a cable management is that. But what can I see from here is it's perfect. So showing the back side in here, it's not worth it. And also little Timmy in the comments might ask, hey ACK, where are those RGB wires? So let me tell you all, these are the RGB wires I have. This is the red wire R, this is the blue wire B. I don't have a G, so R, B. Hopefully I have a G soon. Yeah. That's about it. Oh, I forgot to say, even the monitor is saying you all to subscribe. So if you all have not subscribed yet, then surely you should consider it, because the screen which you all use to watch videos is telling you to subscribe. So yeah, hit the subscribe button if you all are not. Do it. Yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. Hope you all like this video, and if you all like this video, then don't forget to hit that big fat thumbs up button and subscribe now for more quality videos. I'll see you all in the next video. After almost 4 years, more than almost 500 videos, this is the first video where I'm walking and recording. So yeah, I have made few videos here while standing. Most of the time I'm sitting here on this chair. So basically the first video where I was using my legs. Yeah, see you all in the next video. Bye bye.